DJI Osmo Mobile 2 is lighter and cheaper than its predecessor, and despite that it's a way better smartphone camera stabilization gimbal than any other we've tested. It uses AI to track subjects and, with a new portrait mode, it's even ready for the Instagram stories and Snapchat generation. The DJI Osmo Mobile 2 is the popular drone company's most refined gimbal for smartphone cameras yet, so much so that it could take camera stabilizers, which up until now have been a niche accessory, mainstream. The Osmo Mobile 2 is a big upgrade in design. It's made of high-strength nylon, which is lighter than the plastic and magnesium base of the previous gimbal. DJI has also modified the handle to be more ergonomic in your hand, making it more comfortable for long recording sessions. On the bottom is a standard 1/4 inch thread for easily popping this thing on a camera tripod or other compatible accessory. DJI also sells a base, a tripod and an extension rod to give you more versatility, to name a few peripherals. You can basically accessorize your Osmo stabilizer almost as much as you can a GoPro Hero 6.